Hello, I'm Daniel from Two Guys, Two Voices.
I'm Martin from Two Guys, Two Voices.
And today we'll be making dumplings. All you will need is a big bowl, grater, 2 white radishes, a chopping board, plain flour, and half a kilo of beef mince.
You will also need soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, pure sesame oil, pepper, and 2 cups of water.
Alright, to get started we're going to grind up some radishes. You'll need this side here.
Then you'll just cut the white radish.
Now we're going to show you how to grind it. So all you need to do is cut into about chunks the size. Use this grind side here. This grind. So right then we just put a bit of ginger in.
And here's how it looks like.
Now we're going to put a bit of mince in. We don't know if this is enough mince, but if we need more, we'll put more in. And I'm going to mix it up.
Okay. I'll just mix it up. So I mixed it all up and it looks like this.
Now we're going to put in 3 to 4 drops of pure sesame oil.
There you go. I'll just keep mixing while he does that.
One drop, 2 drop, 3 drop.
Okay.
Is that enough? 1 drop. That's it.
Okay, now we mix it up.
Now we're going to put in a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Can you have the tablespoon? Thank you. Yeah, just put that in. Now, last spice, second last, and put in the pepper. Some premium soy sauce. Can you help with the spoon again? Okay. 1 tablespoon of each except the sesame oil. That's it. 1 tablespoon.
Okay, now we mix that up a little.
Then we're going to put in some of this pepper. You going to put some pepper in?
You can do it.
Okay. Then we're going to do this.
Okay, now we mix it. Sure it gets everywhere. Okay. Okay. All good?
Yeah, that looks good. I'll keep mixing like You can buy this at the Asian groceries for $4 1 kilo. Or you can just make it at home with plain flour and water.
So this is
the pastry that we use.
All you need to do is put a teaspoon of filling from the big bowl.
in the middle.
In the middle.
Then you use your hands and you fold it over the top. If it's not sticking correctly, you can use a bit of water. Just rub it around the outsides, not the inside, so then that'll stick too. Then the side is done. Then we can make the curves in it and make it look good. Just I'll do this side now for you. There should be no holes in it. Now when it's done, this one's a bit skinny, but you can make it fatter just by squeezing it towards the middle. Now to make the curves, use your fingers. Get this one, you bend it once, then another time, then another time, then one more time, and that's 4 curves. And that's a dumpling. To make it fatter, you can still squish it in the middle, but it might open. Now we're going to do the rest.
So this is all the dumplings we made. Me, Daniel and my mum made all of them.
To tell that the dumplings are ready, all you need to do is see that the dumplings float to the top of boiling water.
So it's boiling in the pot, all the dumplings. As you can see.
It needs to float up to be cooked. Yeah. So you can make your own dipping sauce, so lots of different types.
And I hope you liked this video.
Please leave a like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Wait, not comment, because YouTube banned them. Leave it in discussion.
Bye.